In this video, I'll be showing you how to use split screen on your Samsung Galaxy A57. So now the easiest way to use split screen is to begin by launching an app. Once you've successfully launched an app, you're then going to enter multi-view. And then from here, tap on the app icon like so and select open in split screen view. Then on the bottom half, you'll be prompted to open up another app that you wish to use while you're in split screen. And then you can see here, it successfully opened both apps in split screen. You can use the handle in the middle to adjust to the size of the screens so that if you want to make one bigger, you can. If you want to make the other one smaller, you can. Or you can just choose to leave it in the middle. If you wish to change the app that's currently open in split screen, all you need to do is simply tap on this blue line and then simply tap on this app's icon. Then scroll through the different apps and find one you wish to open and simply go ahead and select it. And that will now be the new app launched in split screen. You can switch the apps so that the primary app is now the secondary app and the secondary app is the primary app. So again, tap on the blue line and then, long press on the middle handle like so. And then tap on these arrows like that and it switches the primary and the secondary app. And then now whenever you try to open a different app, you can see here it successfully does so. If you wish to exit split screen, simply go ahead and just use the handle to drag it up to the app that you wish to keep open. And then once you do that, it will have successfully exited you out of split screen. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and I'll see you guys in the next video.